How to install an additional blog module in DotNetNuke. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into the DotNetNuke admin area. Now let's learn how to install additional DotNetNuke modules or extensions. In this tutorial, we're going to add a blog module. Click Install Additional Extensions. This is the list of DotNetNuke extensions available by default. Let's choose a few of them. Scroll down. Click Install Selected Extensions. That's it! The selected extensions have been successfully installed. Since we're going to add a blog module, we created a page called Blog for this purpose. Now let's select a blog module from this menu list. Enter blog's title and specify its location on the page. Then click Add icon when done. That's it! The blog module has been successfully added. Scroll down to check all its options. Scroll up. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install additional modules or extensions in DotNetNuke and configure them to your liking.